Hi, welcome to the AWS Cost Optimizations Masterclass. My name is Anthony Buona and I worked in IT in the last 8 years, mainly on AWS. First as a developer, then as a DevOps, and now as a FinOps. I'm FinOps and Terraform certified, and I also got 5 certifications on AWS, including the Professional DevOps Engineer 1. I've helped multiple companies save over $1 million in cost optimizations, and I would like you to get the tools to do the same. What will you learn from this masterclass? First, you will understand cloud cost models, but also FinOps notions, management, cost optimizations, and saving. You will master AWS discount models and FinOps tools. With those tools, you will optimize costs by detecting and deleting idle resources, upgrading, right-sizing, scheduling, and investigating with real examples. This course includes all the necessary theoretical lectures, such as this one, and also practical lectures directly on the AWS console to help you save around 30% on average on your total cloud spend. This course is for anyone interested in saving money in the cloud. So from one people running an individual or personal account to a FinOps managing more than 1,000 accounts across an AWS organization. Then anyone using AWS who works in IT and also anyone managing cloud teams. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.